Today we're going to talk about how to lower the risk of wildfire igniting your deck, focusing on simple steps you can take without rebuilding the whole thing. There are smaller, high-impact projects you can take on right now, specifically addressing the deck-to-wall connection and under-the-deck vulnerabilities. Let me show you. Installing metal flashes 6 inches from the bottom of the wall reduces the chance of the wooden exterior igniting. If you are not replacing the full deck with high-density decking that is resistant to ember ignition, as we have done for this client, you will need to replace at minimum the first 6 inches of decking that touches the house. For example, you can use a steel drain grate for this purpose, or metal decking boards. Next, we need to address the underdeck area. Start by clearing out stored items and blowing away the leaves regularly. Now it's time to install non-combustible mesh screening to keep debris and embers out. Even if you're not ready for a full replacement, flashing the wall-to-deck connection and screening underneath the deck are simple, effective steps to lower your home's wildfire risk.